Welcome to my channel, Dakilang Estranghero. First, let me introduce my channel. Dakilang Estranghero does random vlogs. It has content about challenges. It also has content about language learning in Arabic, Spanish, Filipino, and English. This channel also does food and product reviews that are sponsored. Excuse me. And also, I do live streaming every Friday at 8 p.m. Philippine time. So if you like my channel or it interests you, that is why I think why you're here. I offer 3 levels of membership. Okay, we have bronze, silver, and gold. I won't reiterate one by one each and every perk because you can already read them when you press that join button. But what I can assure you is that every whatever is specified, I'll do it. I won't be that person who'll disregard you after I get your membership. I take care of my members. That's why I do whatever I promise in that perks. In the perks, I mean. And if you want me to, what you call this? And if you want me to do a challenge, you may send your request to my email that is provided in my about section or every description in all my videos that I uploaded recently, not before. Okay, and then you may also donate or sponsor for the challenges you want me to do. For example, you want me to eat large burgers or 10 pieces of burgers in 3 minutes, like that. You can send me an email, so I can do that one also. That's it, I think. So if you like what is on my perks and you like my channel, first, if you like my channel, just press the subscribe button. Okay, and please do like also. If you like my videos, press the like button and press the bell button, so you will notified every time I upload videos. So I think that's it. That's what my channel is, random vlogs. That is Dakilang Estranghero. If you like my perks, as I said, don't hesitate to press the button, that button. Okay, then take care mga Estrangheros. God bless. Spread positivity. Good vibes always. Okay, peace. Peace.